Hello, this is Smarter Prepping with Uncle Mark, and I'm Uncle Mark. Okay, this is the second video of the series, right? It's all about refrigerators. Out with the old, in with the new, okay? Are you with me? Out with the old, in with the new. Out with the old. There we go! Out with the old. Look at that old thing. Oh, I had a brother-in-law that came to visit me. Long story why he was visiting. But he showed me, and here you can see the date of manufacture, 1998. That's a 1998 fridge. Okay, okay. Manufactured in 1998. And like I said, my problem was it was too loud. And see, it's a Sears Kenmore. It was too loud. It has black mold in the door seal. Black mold is supposed to be dangerous for your lungs, whatever. So, I'm going to ask the landlord, pretty please with sugar on top, to remove this beast. Remove this beast. And I've shown you before how I have a ramp out here. Check this out. I have a ramp. So the landlord can send somebody to with a, oh look at that, the two-wheel dolly, and roll that beast down the ramp. Look at that. Oh, look. See the other apartments, they have to go down 2 steps and everything. But no, not for Uncle Mark. Uncle Mark got them all set up. I got them all set up. So that's the out with the old. This, by the way, here's where it was setting. And I'm excited about this situation because, see, I can set some kind of kitchen rack. I worked at Walmart where we sold different racks. The racks I remember didn't look very good. They looked too industrial. So you can set up a kitchen rack, right? A kitchen rack. It can go way, way up, right? And you can put, see, pots and pans. See the giant pot? See the other pots and bowls? See the fry, the cookie sheet? See this and that, this and that? See the other? See the spices? See the other? And the vinegar? And then today, extra virgin olive oil. See that tote with spices? Other spices, da-da-da. More pots and pans, baking. See that bakeware. Muffin tin. See how my hand has that tremors? That's the sign of aging. Uh-oh, Uncle Mark's getting old. I turned 71 this year. Tremors, look at them tremors. Look out! More bakeware down here, lids, odds and ends. Man. Point is, a lot of things, and this could sit over there. See, I could have some kind of rack. I have to measure, get my tape measure out. It's called the tape measure. Tape measure, see, use a tape measure and measure it out, and then look at Walmart.com and see what I got going. Anyway, and here's the new. Now, the new mini fridge is disappointing, but not super duper disappointing. Okay? It's too small and too loud, but not way too small, not way too loud. Okay? Okay, check this out. How many gallons of water can I sit in there? 2. I thought I'd be able to at least set 4 in there. Well, I could sort of kind of set 4 if I didn't set anything in front, but I'd have to have room to put a few other things, like my applesauce I use to take my pills, and then some other foods. That's what's sitting in front there, in front of those 2 gallons. So, okay. So, but that's okay. 2 gallons is enough, because when 1 gallon gets down to where it's pretty much done, then I snatch another one from over in the stash. See down in the crisper drawer, there's odds and ends. A few things sitting in the door. See a little mustard, Worcester sauce. Worcester sauce doesn't have to be refrigerated, but that's okay. I want it refrigerated. You know, barbecue sauce, Miracle Whip. Nah, whatever. I mean, you can't hear it, I don't suppose, and that's the thing. Well, the thing is, when it makes a noise, it's kind of high-pitched. Or the last noise I like is high-pitched noises. And so, anyway, but I can see I can close this door. That kind of breaks it out, see? I can close this door and that kind of blocks it out. And you think, well, I close the door, then the heat, because the heat dissipates out of the fridges. But then there's an air conditioner to dissipate around the heat, see? And there's a ceiling fan, see? Ceiling fan, air conditioner, circulated all around out. So it doesn't matter if I close the door. Follow me? Okay, okay, okay. So I'm always saying, to close these out, my sweet wife Tanya is no longer with us. Look at them tremors. I hate that. Tremors. My sweet wife Tanya is no longer with us. Back in the day, she liked to say, later, Tater.